Is white chocolate actually real chocolate? Well, it depends on what's in it. Today, I'm showing you how I make a truly authentic bar from scratch. First, we are going to pre-measure the most important ingredients: milk powder and cocoa butter. Officially, white chocolate has to contain at least 20% cacao fat, and a high-quality bar can sometimes have more cacao than generic milk chocolate. We are going even higher than that, to 35%. And as always, I prefer less sweetness, so the sugar will make up 30% of the total weight. Now we have to melt this giant cup of cocoa butter in 30-second bursts, so we don't burn it. While that's happening, let's look at this polycarbonate mold. I got it a few months ago, and I'm so excited to use it again because I love the visual 3D effect it leaves on the chocolate. And this is a melanger. It uses stone wheels to finely grind everything to reach a perfectly silky texture so that the chocolate melts nicely in your mouth. It takes a bit of time to fully load this. You cannot just dump everything at once, otherwise you'll get stuck. So I'm starting with some cocoa butter and sugar first. By the way, if you haven't already, check out my other video where I make dark chocolate from cacao beans, and subscribe for more interesting videos about chocolate. It's definitely pretty rare to have a melanger at home, but if you want to recreate this process, you can try a blender or a food processor. Milk and sugar particles are quite big and require a lot of refining time, so the texture will be different, but it will taste good either way. This has been running for an entire day, and we can now see how much it has changed. Now it's just like melted, smooth chocolate. After this, it has to be tempered. It's very tempting to just pour this directly into the molds and put it in the fridge to set, but that will leave us with bars that look dull and feel like rubber. For tempering, I'm using pure cocoa butter. This is similar to the seeding method, and it works best with white chocolate. With dark chocolate, any unmelted bits can stay visible as tiny white spots. Although white chocolate looks a lot different from dark, they both share an essential ingredient, which is cocoa butter. So, as long as there are no other fats present, white chocolate is real chocolate. Ideally, it should contain the 3 ingredients that we use today, and sometimes a small amount of lecithin to help with the viscosity. The chocolate should never look bleached white, as that would mean the naturally yellowish cocoa butter was replaced with some cheaper fats, and we don't want that. It's not going to have the same flavor. So if you like white chocolate, you can try making your own or look for one with those ingredients.